Peloton troubleshooting resistance problems. Peloton bikes are known for their smooth ride and effective workouts. However, some users face resistance problems. These issues can disrupt your workout routine. This section will cover common resistance problems and provide solutions. Resistance not changing. Sometimes, the resistance on your Peloton bike does not change. This can be frustrating. There are a few reasons why this may happen. The resistance knob might be loose. The bike's firmware could be outdated. There might be a mechanical issue. First, check if the resistance knob is tight. If it is loose, tighten it. Next, ensure your bike's firmware is up to date. Go to Settings and check for updates. If the problem persists, it might be a mechanical issue. In this case, contact Peloton support. Calibration tips. Proper calibration ensures your bike's resistance is accurate. Follow these steps to calibrate your Peloton bike. 1. Turn off the bike and unplug it. 2. Turn the resistance knob to 0. 3. Press and hold the volume up button. 4. Plug the bike back in while holding the button. 5. Release the volume button when the screen turns on. A calibration screen will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions. Your bike will now be calibrated.
This video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching video.